damaged. It's so sunny right now here that it's becoming unbearable for us to stand. However, we'll go to the other side of Roman Forum. Let's see.
Black truffle, it has a winter black truffle. And instead of anchovies, it has pistachio. Okay.
You want?
So, what you're going to taste in here, it's less olives, less anchovies, more truffling with a smoky aftertaste of the truffle. Please, you can try it. And obviously pistachio. This is more mild, no? But it has more truffle.
So इसी के साथ ये walking tour of Rome यहीं ख़त्म होता है. I hope you guys have liked it, and I have definitely enjoyed coming back here again after so many years. It feels so refreshing and so lively like before. And then, of course, as you can see, we just grabbed our favorite pizza, a slice from this place, and then we went off to the hotel.